Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Versi. So today topic is on Google Pixel 4, which is coming new update. The latest update is Google is ditching the notch, and some include the best Samsung Galaxy S10 feature, which is more fruit. So let's get into the video. So the Google is looking to seriously shake up the design of its flagship handset this year. While the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL brought a number of interesting new features to the table: ultra-wide-angle group selfie camera, wireless charging, but didn't exactly blow our hair back in terms of design prowess. After all, the Pixel 3 was essentially a diddler. Pixel 2 XL and the Pixel 3 XL introduced us to that notch. With the Google Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL, the Californian technology company looks set to catch up rivals like Samsung Galaxy S10, OnePlus 7 Pro, Huawei P30 and others. And now, thanks to the latest leaked image of the Google Pixel 4, we now have a clear idea about exactly how Google looks set to do just that. The Mountain View based company will seemingly take a leaf from the Infinity O display design that appeared in the Galaxy S10 series earlier this year. This design will relocate the selfie cameras into a small cutout in the screen, allowing the manufacturer to all but eliminate the bezel that surround the display. In turn, that means the overall footprints of the handset can shrink while maintaining the same size display. So, however, the latest render does tally with a number of whispers we've already heard about upcoming fourth entry in the Pixel smartphone series. Google filed a patent earlier this month. Other rumors point to the Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 system on a chip, coupled with at least 6 GB of RAM. Reports suggest Pixel 4 XL will have a dual rear mounted camera as well. A first for the Pixel range, Google has always insisted it only needs a single lens to produce the same bokeh style blur that rivals use dual camera setups to achieve. So if the company decides to add a second camera to Pixel 4 XL, it must have something else planned. Made by hardware event, which has been held in October for the last 3 years, is still a long way away, so it's possible that thing could and will end before the launch. So stay tuned with the Better Tech Yourself channel for all the latest news as it breaks. Definitely I will share with you. And thank you. Stay with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, so hit the like button. If you don't like, as you like. And stay cool, stay fresh, and see you in the next video.